Welcome inside a modern tire factory, where automation, precision, and speed turn raw materials into road-ready tires. It starts with exact recipes: rubber, carbon black, oils, and additives measured by sealed, computer-controlled systems. High-torque mixers blend everything under heat and pressure, creating a uniform compound with consistent performance. This facility runs like a data-driven kitchen, multiple lines producing different compounds for tread, sidewall, and inner layers. Next, precision rollers form sheets to exact thickness. Laser sensors verify every millimeter in real time. Robotic cutters shape the material into strips. Perfect geometry, zero wasted movement. Extruders form complex profiles like sidewalls, engineered shapes that handle stress and protect the tire. Everything moves automatically, each profile tracked digitally so the right parts meet at the right time. For strength, rubber is bonded to fabric layers. Controlled tension keeps the structure perfectly aligned. Steel cords are placed with extreme accuracy, then embedded, forming the belt that helps the tire hold shape. Finished belt sheets are rolled and tagged, every batch traceable, every step recorded. Now the bead, high-strength steel wire wound into rings that lock the tire tightly to the wheel. Robots wrap the bead in rubber for bonding. Precision here determines sealing and durability. Workers don't wrestle heavy parts, they supervise, inspect data, and keep the process perfectly calibrated. This is the tire building drum, the assembly point where layers combine into a precise, flexible, green tire. First, the inner liner, an airtight layer that helps the tire hold pressure like a sealed container. Then the body ply, laid under controlled tension to build the tire's backbone. Beads are positioned with millimeter accuracy. This is what anchors the tire to the rim. Sidewalls go on next, designed to flex, resist damage, and protect the tire's inner structure. Steel belts are layered and aligned. This is what gives the tire stability at speed. Now the tread, thicker rubber built for grip, braking, and long wear. The flat layers become a real tire shape, still soft, still unmolded, but fully assembled. Overhead conveyors keep flow constant, every tire moving through the factory like a timed production symphony. Robots transfer the green tire forward, carefully, because its final strength hasn't been created yet. This is curing, the moment rubber becomes durable, elastic, and permanently shaped. The tire is placed into a precision mold, aligned by sensors so every detail forms perfectly. Heat and pressure activate vulcanization. Rubber chemistry changes, locking in strength and flexibility. Inside the mold, the tread pattern is stamped in, channels, blocks, and sipes engineered for traction. When the press opens, the tire emerges fully formed, hot, new, and ready for finishing. Cooling stabilizes the rubber, controlled airflow brings the tire down to inspection-safe temperatures. A laser marks key information: size, load rating, speed rating, clean, permanent, and readable. Robots trim tiny mold vents, small details that keep the final product smooth and consistent. Each tire is logged into a traceability system, materials, machines, and timestamps tied to a single code. Computer vision checks surfaces fast, looking for tiny flaws the human eye might miss. X-ray inspection sees inside the tire, confirming belts and plies are exactly where they should be. Uniformity testing measures vibration and balance, critical for smooth, quiet driving. Approved tires flow forward automatically. Anything questionable is isolated for deeper review. Final markings are added for logistics and balancing, small dots that simplify downstream operations. In the finished area, automated vehicles move tires into organized storage, fast, quiet, and ultra-efficient. These robots navigate using LiDAR and mapping, avoiding obstacles and keeping flow uninterrupted. Robotic palletizing stacks tires with repeatable precision, reducing damage and maximizing shipping density. Pallets are wrapped and stabilized, ready for transport without scuffs, shifting, or contamination. From the outside, it looks calm, but inside, thousands of precise steps run continuously. The factory brain is here. Real-time data tracks quality, speed, energy use, and maintenance needs. Sensors predict wear before breakdowns, keeping uptime high and preventing defects before they happen. From mixing to molding to scanning, every station is synchronized to produce consistent tires at massive scale. And that's the modern tire, engineered, tested, and built with precision you can feel on every mile.